Assets and liabilities. To understand a balance sheet, you must first understand some key definitions. An asset. This is something that a business owns. This could be cash, furniture, property, buildings, computer software, and more. Liability. This is something that a business owes. This could be money owed to employees, vendors, the government, or loans owed to banks and others. The balance sheet adds up all the assets and the liabilities and then applies this simple formula: assets minus liabilities. If the business owns more value in assets than it owes in liabilities, then it has positive equity. Equity is the value held in the business and is the third component of the balance sheet formula, as shown here. Assets are everything you own, minus liabilities, everything that you owe, equals equity, the value you've created. Here's an example that applies the balance sheet formula of assets minus liabilities equals equity. If a business has assets of cash, $4,000, furniture of $600, computer of $400, that adds up to $5,000 in assets. If the business has a bank loan for which it still owes $2,000 and a credit card payment due of $1,000, that's a total liabilities of $3,000. So assets of $5,000 minus liabilities of $3,000 leaves us with $2,000 in equity. One way to read this is to say that if the business is shut down and everything in it is sold or liquidated and all the liabilities paid off to zero, there would be $2,000 left over. This is how much value currently exists in the business. Let's look at a couple of more examples. In the first example, we have cash of $8,000, furniture of $700, and a computer of $400. These are all assets, and if we add them together, we get $9,100. We have liabilities of a bank loan for $2,500 and a credit card of $900. If we add our liabilities, we get $3,400. If we subtract those two totals, we get $5,700 in equity. Second example, if we have cash of $12,000, unpaid sales of $1,000, so the sale is made but not yet paid, it still is an asset, and we have land worth $10,000. So that totals our assets of $23,000. We have a bank loan of $9,500 and $6,000 owed to suppliers for a total of $15,500 in liabilities, and we subtract $15,500 from the $23,000, and we have total equity of $7,500. GoVenture is one of the original and most widely used series of educational games and simulations in the world. Discover a better way to teach and learn at goventure.net.